Welcome to Passaic Valley Regional High School's Program of Studies. The central focus of Passaic Valley is to provide students with the best education possible in a way that is relevant, engaging, student-centered, and innovative in its approach to promoting an appreciation for lifelong learning. Passaic Valley's vision of having all students prepared to meet the challenges of post-secondary life with grace and confidence requires not only respect for the individuality of students and staff, but also a sustained effort to work towards achievement of universal goals. Carrying out its mission, the school's dedicated staff provides each student with the tools necessary to lead productive lives in today's ever-changing society. It is the school's responsibility to nurture and guide students to be the best they can be. With approximately 1,050 students, the enrollment size of Passaic Valley High School allows for students to receive the proper attention they deserve in a safe learning environment. A model of educational programming, Passaic Valley offers a personalized approach to post-secondary college and career readiness, encouraging all students to enroll in a wide range of challenging courses in preparation for their next steps in life. With many exciting elective courses catering to varied student interests, numerous co-curricular and extracurricular activities, advanced placement courses, dual enrollment opportunities, and career certification pathways, Passaic Valley is exemplary in its attention to the development of the whole child. As with most opportunities, there is a dimension of responsibility. Students are responsible for knowing the information provided in this program of studies and communicating frequently with their school counselor, teachers, and parents. For most students, high school represents the beginning of taking ownership over educational options and the development of independent thinking. In addition to graduation requirements, there are many options to select courses that match areas of interest. If students are active and informed consumers of this educational process, they will receive the marketable product of an excellent education. Pride and tradition define Passaic Valley. The teachers, the administrators, students, and parents work tirelessly to promote the school and what it has to offer. Passaic Valley looks forward to hearing from interested parents, students, and community members, and encourages all to contact the school by phone or email with any questions or concerns. The transition from middle to high school is one of the most vulnerable times in a child's development, as this is one of the most potentially stressful times in their lives. A student's performance in 9th grade has been shown to predict both their likelihood of dropping out of high school as well as their likelihood of attending college. While your child will have participated in previous academic transitions, such as the transition from elementary to middle school, there are several factors that make the transition from middle to high school more challenging. First, the transition to high school represents an increase in academic demands. In other words, courses are more challenging in high school than they were in middle school. Second, students have more responsibility as they have to proactively ask for help and clarification from their teachers. This is due to the structure of most high schools in which students have individual schedules as opposed to middle school, where it is more likely that a group of students will have a team of teachers. This means that a child's teachers are not directly connected to each other, so may not notice the academic or social difficulty a child is facing across the school environment as a whole. Third, beyond the academic transition, there's a social transition as students are entering a place with an existing social structure that they have to navigate. Finally, students in this transition are also in the middle of the transition to adolescence. This time period after puberty represents a key time in adolescent brain development, and as a result of these changes, the social world around the adolescent becomes more important to them. Thus, children are making a social transition at a crucial time in their development when peer acceptance is becoming incredibly important to them. Taken together, a child transitioning to high school is facing the challenge of increased academic expectations coupled with trying to find their place socially, all at the same time. While this transition can seem daunting, Passaic Valley has programs in place to assist your children through this transition. Our student parent portal is equipped to keep families updated on attendance, discipline, and academic progress. Students will be in the process of learning how to meet academic demands, so extra help with our experienced staff is key. Students can also opt to utilize our various tutoring programs or visit the Writing Center. PV's Teen Center and Student Services staff understand that students are likely to be stressed as they make this transition. They stand ready to assist by offering resources, student programs, or even just an ear to listen. Our peer mentoring program also helps normalize these feelings and put students at ease. Forming relationships with upperclassmen and hearing the student perspective can alleviate concerns and make students feel more connected to their environment. Focuses include learning time management skills, study skills, getting involved in school, and communicating with teachers and developing healthy relationships. Many families don't realize how much of an impact middle school has on high school and beyond. Although students can continue to learn valuable skills as they proceed through life, the foundation laid in middle school sets students on their future path. New Jersey requires 120 credits for graduation, covering 10 areas of instruction. Passaic Valley strictly adheres to these standards and does not mandate additional requirements for graduation. Our 2021-2022 program of studies promotes a supportive learning environment where every student is challenged, inspired, and empowered to cultivate the intellectual curiosity, skills, and knowledge needed to excel at college and in one's career. In order for students to gain the most from their high school educational experience, we urge careful course planning that involves the students, his or her parents, teachers, and the school counselor. This collaboration will result in a comprehensive educational program that is adapted to individual needs as well as state and local graduation requirements. Passaic Valley currently has dual enrollment agreements with 6 colleges and universities. Dual enrollment opportunities enhance college applications and allow students to save money and get ahead by completing general education requirements while still in high school. For the 2021-2022 school year, there are 19 approved dual enrollment courses covering multiple academic arenas. Students enrolled in eligible courses will receive information at the start of the course regarding participation in dual enrollment and instructions to register if interested. In June, Passaic Valley graduated its first class of certified patient care technicians. This 124-hour hands-on program trained them for entry-level career opportunities such as patient care technician, hospital caregiver, emergency department technician, patient advocate, burn technician, dialysis technician, ECG monitoring technician, and rehabilitation center technician. At Passaic Valley, students may explore careers in mechanical drafting and engineering or broadcasting through comprehensive career and technical education programs. In a CTE program, students advance their skills through hands-on collaborative projects in a sequence of courses. Students also have an opportunity to apply those skills in real-world environments through structured learning experiences such as internships. In PV's CTE programs, students may earn college credit through its dual enrollment programs as well as industry certification. Passaic Valley has established successful partnerships with universities to support its career and technical education programs. Regardless of level, all of Passaic Valley's courses follow the content-specific New Jersey Student Learning Standards, Next Generation Science Standards, and Core Curriculum Content Standards. Teachers recommend students for the appropriate academic level based on available data such as classroom performance, attendance, and level of interest. Over the past 2 years, Passaic Valley has worked to expand our academic elective offerings in both STEM and humanities. We are constantly surveying our students to make sure the courses offered are relevant to today's world and the goals of our students. As mentioned earlier, students need to successfully complete 5 credits of 21st century and career courses. At Passaic Valley, this requirement can be met by taking courses in our broadcasting program or business department. Students can also opt for computer science or technology-infused courses, culinary, or engineering. Lastly, students can participate in school-sponsored structured learning experiences such as internships, work experience, and shared time programming. In addition to the 21st century learning requirement, all students in New Jersey need to successfully complete 5 credits of visual and performing arts for graduation. All of our courses in our visual arts, music, and theater were updated in 2019 and can be used to satisfy this area. New in 2021-2022, Passaic Valley has contracted with VHS Learning to enhance our program. 5 new course options will be offered in the area of business and 3 new academic courses. VHS courses are taken online and will be completely paid for by Passaic Valley. Students will be assigned a Passaic Valley liaison to help track their academic progress in these courses. The first week of January, registration packets will be mailed home to prospective students. These packets include the 2021-22 Program of Studies booklet, a scheduling worksheet, registration form, transportation form, and health card. Completed paperwork will be submitted to your home district using the included self-addressed stamped envelope. Once submitted, Passaic Valley counselors will review the student file and put together a tentative schedule and electronically send it to the student, parent, and guardian. There will be a placement test available in the spring for any student wishing to place into an honors level academic course. More details to follow. As mentioned earlier, at Passaic Valley, our vision is to prepare all students to meet the challenges of post-secondary life with grace and confidence. Upon graduation, our students take various pathways to reach their goals. We are proud to report on average 88% choose to further their education in post-secondary programs such as colleges and universities or career training. No matter what the direction your child chooses, Passaic Valley is here to support them. If you have any questions on this presentation or Passaic Valley in general, please don't hesitate to call the guidance office. Thank you for your time, and we hope you will take a moment to check out the rest of our open house.